apple. I ate a juicy apple for breakfast. Ball. I kicked the ball across the field. Cat. I saw a cute cat in the garden. Dog. I walked my dog in the park. Egg. I cooked an egg for lunch. Fish. I caught a big fish at the lake. Goat. I fed the goat at the petting zoo. Hat. I wore a funny hat to the party. Ice. I put ice in my drink to keep it cold. Jam. I spread jam on my toast. Kite. I flew a kite on the beach. Lion. I saw a lion at the zoo. Moon. I watched the moon rise in the evening. Nest. I found a bird's nest in the tree. Owl. I heard an owl hooting at night. Pig. I saw a pig rolling in the mud. Queen. I read a story about a queen. Rat. I spotted a rat in the alley. Sun. I enjoyed the warmth of the sun. Tree. I climbed a tall tree in the backyard. Table. I set the table for dinner. Van. I drove a van to the countryside. Water. I drank a glass of water. X-ray. I had an X-ray at the hospital. Yarn. I knitted a scarf with yarn. Zebra. I saw a zebra at the zoo. Ant. I watched an ant carry a crumb. Box. I opened a box of chocolates. Cup. I drink tea from a cup. Duck. I fed a duck at the pond. Ear. I heard a whisper in my ear. Frog. I caught a frog by the stream. Grass. I lay down on the grass. House. I painted my house blue. Ink. I spilled ink on my paper. Juice. I poured orange juice into a glass. Key. I I found the key to the door. Leaf. I picked up a fallen leaf. Milk. I drank a glass of milk. Nut. I cracked open a nut. Orange. I peeled an orange. Pen. I wrote a letter with a pen. Quilt. I made a quilt for my bed. Ring. I wore a silver ring. Snake. I saw a snake in the garden. Meat. I cook meat sauce for lunch. Under. I hid under the table. Vase. I put flowers in a vase. Wind. I felt the wind on my face. Phone. I use my phone to call. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends.